Welcome to our full body stretching routine follow along video. We have 10 different exercises that you're going to use to stretch glutes, hamstring, hip flexors and back. But before we get to the exercise, I would like to announce that I'm finally offering live lessons on Patreon. If you would like to know more about those classes, go to the description of this video and there is the link for my Patreon. But basically, I'm offering lessons for private classes and group classes. The group classes are going to be limited. It's going to be 8 to 10 persons because I really want to give the best out of this class to you. And I want to give as much feedback as possible to each of you in that class. Now, let's get to our full body stretching routine. Now, let's get to our first exercise. We're going to sit on the floor. We're going to lay back. We are going to bring legs together, knee towards the chest. You're going to hold the knee, close the elbows, and bring your forehead as close as possible, and we are going to hold this position for 15 seconds. Don't forget to breathe, okay? So relax. Let's do it again. Breathe in, exhale, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that you close your elbows. You press your forehead closer as possible to your knee. Keep breathing and relax. Well done. We are going to stretch legs. We are going to open arms to our side. We are going to bend knee and open to the level of our hips. You are going to engage glute muscle, so there is no arch on your back. And you are going to keep your right knee facing up while your left knee is going to drop to the floor. And here, it's also passive stretch. We're going to hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep pressing that back against the floor. Engage core muscle. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we change and drop right knee down, left knee facing the roof, and engage core muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't arch your back. 13, 14, 15, and back to initial position. Both legs together, stretching in front of you, arms to the back. We are going to stretch and lift your shoulders and feel that something is pulling from your fingers, and you are going to arch very comfortable your back towards your belly button and stretch and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that you feel comfortable. It shouldn't hurt at all. You shouldn't feel any pain. Keep breathing and breathe in and back to initial position. Awesome. We are going to recover up and we are going to lay in our tummies and we are going to do cobra position. So you're going to rest on your forearms. You're going to relax your legs and we are going to lift up while we count 1, 2, 3, and recover back to initial position. And this is an active stretch, okay? So relax your neck, relax everything. Press against the ground while we're going up. Breathe in and exhale, lift up. 1, 2, 3. Lower down. We're going to repeat 3 more. Breathe in and out. Lift up. 1, 2, 3. And lower down. Breathe in. Exhale. Up. Breathe in. Lower down. Exhale. Lift up. Last time. 1, 2, 3, and relax down. Awesome. We are going to lift now. Last time. Breathe in. Breathe out and stretch your arms, shoulders back, lift your crown and lower down. Well done. Next exercise, we are going to lay on our backs and we are going to stretch glutes muscles and hamstring at the same time. So you're going to bring your right leg over your left knee and you're going to put your hands one inside and the other one from the outside. Lift your left leg out of the ground and try to press that right knee back and bring the left knee towards your chest. Hold there for 15 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Release to the initial position. Bring your left leg over your right knee. Left arm inside, right hand to the outside. Lift your right leg, bent knee, and bring your right knee towards your chest. Don't forget to breathe. Use your left elbow if you want to press your left knee back. You should be feeling that stretch on your left glutes and hamstring. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Relax. We are going to recover up. In our next exercise, we are going to stretch both legs in front of us. You're going to bring your left leg over your right knee and we are going to lean forward. We're going to try to touch our toes. If we can, then you're going to reach farther away from those toes and bring your chest as lower as possible. And we are going to lower down and we're going to hold the position for 15 seconds. Now, breathe in and lower down. Try to keep a straight line between your head all the way through your spine. Every time you breathe in and out, try to lower your chest closer and closer to the front leg. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Recover up and we're going to change to the other leg. So now you bring your right leg on top of your left knee and now we're going to reach forward. Breathe in and out. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Well done, everyone. We have the pigeon pose. So we are going to have right leg bent in front of us. You're going to stretch your left knee and you're going to drop that hip down and we are going to hold the position. You can either have your leg in a 90-degree angle. So your heel is in a straight line with your knee and your knee with your hip, or if it's too challenging, you can close that leg. What I want you to do is to drop that hip down and lift shoulders up, proud chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. We are going to change and we are going to have left leg in front, right leg stretched to the back, and we are going to drop that right knee down. Breathe. Proud chest and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax, well done. Next exercise, the famous butterfly position, but this one is going to be an active stretch. So we are going to close and open 1, 2, hold 3 and relax. And we are going to do 4 repetitions. Try to keep your proud chest upright position while we open. Do it slow. 1, 2, hold on 3 and release. Okay, let's go. Open 1, 2, hold 3 and release. Well done. One more time. 1, 2, hold 3 and release. And 2 more. 1, 2, hold 3 and release. And last time and hold and release. Well done. Now we're going to open legs to straddle, and you're going to put your hands on the back while you just try to tilt your pelvis back by rotating those hips forward, okay? So go 1, just hold the position there. This is gonna be a passive stretch. Hold it for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. And our last stretch. We are going to have hands in front of us. We are going to breathe, and with 3 counts, we are going to lower down while keeping a straight line between your head all the way to your tailbone. We lower down 1, 2, 3, and recover up. And we are going to repeat that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and recover up. Now remember that you need to feel that movements happening on your hips. So you are tilting pelvis back and you're feeling those rotators rotating. Okay? Let's do it. Hands in front of you. Breathe in. And lower chest to 1, 2, 3, and lift up. One more time. Exhale, lower. 1, 2, 3, and up. Well done. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, and up. And last time we're going to go all the way down to our forearms. 1, 2, 3, and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome! Well done! I hope that you like it. If you did so, remember to subscribe if you're new in this channel. Also to give a like to the video, because if you really enjoyed, what better than giving a like? And let me know that you really enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you get the direct notification.